Welcome to another in a series of video tutorials. This one is going to cover how to add and delete transactions to the top 10 list in Oracle. Creating a top 10 list in Oracle is like creating favorites in Internet Explorer or any other browser. You just go up. In this case, what I'm doing is just adding the Port of Oakland website as a favorite, and then I can always go back and quickly find it again just by finding it in my top 10 list. Another thing that you may be used to is creating a shortcut on your desktop. Now in the future, if I close this window, to quickly go back to the Port of Oakland's website, I just simply click on this shortcut, and the window, the internet page for the Port of Oakland will pop up. So there it is. So creating a top 10 in Oracle is exactly the same. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that right now. From my Oracle Navigator, I highlight the item that I want to add to my top 10 list. In this case, I'm going to add over expense reports. So with it selected, I go ahead and click on the arrow to add it, and I just go down the list and select all the transactions that I want to add to my top 10 list. In this case, suppliers, for entering suppliers. Go down, I'll do one for credit cards, for P cards, so procurement cards, and I highlight it and click the arrow to add it. I'll go down, and since I run a lot of reports in the concurrent manager, I'm going to go ahead and select request and run and select the arrow to add it. Now I'm starting to build my top 10 list here. You see I've got 5 items including invoices, expense reports, suppliers, etc. So it's as easy as adding it by that, selecting it on the left side of the window, hitting the arrow to add it to my top 10 list. Okay. To actually enter a transaction, I just highlight it and click the open, and it brings open that window. So it's as simple as that, or I can double click on it. And what I'm doing now is I'm going to go ahead and for suppliers I'm going to remove it. Okay, so if you didn't see that, what I do is I select it on my top 10 list now, and I hit the arrow to the left to remove items from my top 10 list, or I'm left with 3 different transactions on my top 10 list. And it's as simple as that.